Welcome back to AMP University. Today's focus is on daisy chaining connectors, a technique vital for creating efficient and cohesive lighting systems. We'll break down the methodology, ensuring you have the know-how for streamlined installations. Let's talk connectors, wire nuts, direct burial junctions, or ACE connectors. Think about what you're working with and what'll hold up best in the elements. There's so many different styles of connectors, and many of them are going to be application specific. For instance, if I'm going into just standard soil, turf, I'm more than likely going to use a set of wire nuts to make my connection. We also have our junction burial connectors. We have a 3-way, 5-way, and an 8-way. Each of those are used to actually gang together multiple fixtures. So if all my fixtures within my bed can reach one another, that's when I'm going to be using those styles of connectors. Alternatively, there's ACE connectors. ACE connectors are a butt-style connector with a heat shrink tubing. This allows you to create very streamlined connections. Time to strip those wires. Starting from the last fixture and working back to the transformer is usually your best bet. It keeps things tidy and gives you a little wiggle room for adjustments. Removing a 1/4 inch of insulation off should do the trick, revealing the copper underneath. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be splicing this fixture cable in between the two main power lines. In this case, we're using 12 gauge wire, so I'm going to use the 12 key area in order to strip my insulation away, ensuring that I'm not cutting into the copper, increasing my resistance. Remove the jacket, exposing your copper. And we're going to want to do that with the fixture wire, with your continuing wire, and the wire going to the transformer. Spread those copper wires and lay them flat, twisting them together in a clockwise motion. So now we want to go and start fanning our wire out, just how we talked about. Fan it out, get it nice and flat. Another thing to remember is to split as much as you're comfortable with. The more you have these wires or legs split, the easier it becomes. Now, because there's no polarity in the system, I just have to make sure that leg 1 and leg 2 are on opposite sides. And I do that with every fixture and every main cable. And if that helps to name one leg A, one leg B, you could do that as well. So let me take all my A wires, my A legs, and I'm going to go ahead and connect them all together. Let them all lay flat, just like that. And then we'll go and make our twist. Again, in a clockwise motion. Now we'll take all of our B legs, lay them flat. Right on top of each other. And clockwise motion. Twist. We've now spliced this fixture wire in between our continuation and our power feed. Give your system a quick test run before making everything permanent. It's like a dress rehearsal for your lighting. Now, secure those connections with waterproof wire nuts. Twist in the same clockwise direction you twisted the exposed copper ends earlier until the wires start twisting with the nut. Twisting in the opposite direction can lead to shorts that may trip your transformer. Now please note, it is normal for some of the solution to come out of the connector. This dielectric grease waterproofs the connector and allows it for safe installation in outdoor applications. Totally normal, and this ensures that your fixture is connected properly. And that wraps up our guide to daisy chaining connectors. You're now equipped to build more connected and streamlined lighting systems with ease. We appreciate your participation in AMP University. Consider subscribing for access to further professional development content. And feel free to share your insights with our community in the comments below.